Welcome students, welcome everybody. Today we are going to discuss about maths of 6th class. My dear students, I am just going to deliver you about flowchart of number system because we are going to discuss about chapter number 2 whole number. But before that, I want to teach you about the flowchart of number system. Okay. So basically, number system. What is number system? Number system is a way of arranging all the numbers in mathematics, or we can say in practical life. सारे नंबर्स को अलग अलग कैटेगरी में सही सिस्टमेटिक ढंग से जमाया गया है, वही नंबर सिस्टम। लेट्स सी, फर्स्ट पूरे नंबर सिस्टम को मेन दो भागों में बांटा गया है। We all know very well that there are only 10 digits, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These are the 10 digits. These are the 10 digits by which we can do all mathematics lifetime. All the scientists and all the in practical life, all the mathematics is depend on this 10 digit. So यही वो 10 digit है जिससे पूरा नंबर सिस्टम बनाया गया। Okay. So number system is categorized mainly in two categories. One is real number, another is imaginary number. हिंदी में बात करें, वास्तविक संख्याएं हैं और ये काल्पनिक संख्या है। But these imaginary numbers are like a plus iota b is not for your purpose, means you will study it in higher classes. ये बड़ी क्लासेस में पढ़ने का सब्जेक्ट है इमेजिनरी नंबर्स। So we will learn about this real number. Real number means वास्तविक संख्याएं, that 10 digits. Okay. So real number is further classified in two main categories. One is rational numbers and another is irrational numbers. आप लोग ये पॉइंट थोड़ा ध्यान से देखिएगा, यहाँ से स्टार्टिंग होती है मैथ्स को समझने का, जहाँ पर कंफ्यूजन पैदा होता है कि इन विच वे द नंबर सिस्टम इज डिवाइडेड एंड कैटेगराइज्ड। दैट्स व्हाई आई एम गोइंग टू show you this flow chart for number system. Okay, so real number is categorized in basically two main part: rational number and irrational number. Rational number and irrational number. In this way, what are rational numbers? If we talk about rational numbers, the numbers which we can write them in p upon q. The numbers which we can write in the form of p upon q. P upon q, where q is not equal to 0. वे नंबर्स जिन्हें p upon q के फॉर्म में लिखा जा सकता है, लेकिन q 0 नहीं होना चाहिए। एग्जाम्पल के तौर पर बात करें, जैसे 1, 2, -5, 25, 3/4. These all numbers are in form of p upon q, and where q is not in 0. But if we talk about p into, आपको कंफ्यूज नहीं होना है कि p और q क्या है। Every rational number is written in this form p upon q. Whether we are writing 2, it means it is 2 upon 1. 2 is p, 1 is. In lower classes, you may know about componendo and dividend. Okay, because if we write 2 means this is 2 upon 1, 2 is p, 1 is q. So every rational number can be written in this form. If we are writing 25 means it is 25 by 1, where q is not 0, 1 0 nahi, is 25. 25 upon 1 is equal to 25. That's why all the numbers, this type of numbers are in rational numbers. But if we talk about irrational numbers, the numbers which are not rational, they are irrational. No. The numbers which we cannot write in the form of p upon q, हम इन्हें p upon q के फॉर्म में नहीं लिख सकते. कौन से नंबर्स होते हैं? √2, √3, √5, पाई, e, इनका यूज आप हर क्लासेस में देखेंगे भाई. बट these are the numbers which are irrational numbers because इनको p upon q के फॉर्म में नहीं लिखा जा सकता है. अगर √2 को p upon q के फॉर्म में लिखेंगे तो ये, जैसे √3 की बात करें या √2 की बात करें तो √2 का जो वैल्यू बनता है 1.141 ऐसे करके, it will never end, non terminating. That's why if we just write them in the form p upon q, we cannot write. So these are the irrational numbers and these are the rational numbers. Now if we talk about rational numbers is further classified in three main categories. Rational number is further classified in three main categories. These are natural numbers, whole numbers, and integers. This rational number is further classified in main three categories: natural number, whole number, and integers. In 6th class, you have all these three type of chapters. First chapter is natural numbers, second chapter is whole number, and later on we will study about integers also. That's why first we know about natural numbers. Natural numbers are denoted by n. Natural number को n से denote करते हैं. And these numbers are started from 1, 2, 3 and infinity. Natural number 1, 2, 3 से start होकर infinity तक, अनंत तक जाता है. Infinite. If we talk about whole numbers, in natural number set we included 0. So whole numbers is from 0, 1, 2, 3 and later on for the infinity. Means every number have successor and predecessor. Means अगर मैं बात करूँ 5 तो 5 का successor मतलब इसके सामने क्या आता है? 6. Means इससे एक जाए. और इसका predecessor 5 का predecessor कौन होता है? 4. But in natural number, 1 has successor 2, but it does not have predecessor. That's why in whole number, 1 has successor 2 and predecessor 0. So in this way, natural number set is from 1 to 3 to infinity, and in whole number, the set is from 0, 1, 2, 3 to infinity. If we talk about integers later on, this is another chapter for you, but only introductory part. Integers are of two types: positive integers and negative integers. पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स कौन से होते हैं? ये जो नेचुरल नंबर्स हैं ये सभी पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स हैं, लाइक 1, 2, 3 एंड पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स. एंड इफ यू टॉक अबाउट इंटीजर्स, नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स -1, -2, -3 टू -infinity, ये -infinity तक जाता है. ओके, सो now, so this is only introductory part. This is another chapter for you, integers. So one is integers is two types. like natural numbers. But for negative integers, it is -1, -2 to -infinity. This whole number system is on number line. We will discuss about it. But our second chapter is whole number. We only going to learn about whole numbers. But I am telling about this flow chart so that you can aware about it. Now, this natural number, whole number, and integers commonly divided and classified into some subcategories like odd numbers, even numbers, third prime numbers, fourth composite numbers. My dear students, in lower classes you are familiar about these numbers. Odd number and even number you know very well. Even number means the numbers which are easily divided by number 2, or we can say the numbers whose unit place is 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. These are the even numbers. Means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. These all numbers are in the category of even number. And the numbers which are not even, all numbers are even number. Like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These numbers are not divided by 2. So these are the odd numbers and even numbers. These are the sub classification of this integer, whole number and natural numbers. Now, if we talk about prime number, prime numbers are the numbers having only 2 factors. One is themselves and one also. प्राइम नंबर जिनको हिंदी में अभाज्य बोलते हैं, जिनके खुद के अलावा और एक के अलावा कोई फैक्टर नहीं होता है. The smallest prime number is 2 because 2 is divided by itself also 2 and only. And if we talk about 3, another prime number, it is divided by itself 3 only and 1. So all the numbers having only 2 factors, 1 and itself, those numbers are called prime numbers. Later on, you will find how many prime numbers are in between 1 to 100. I just told you from 1 to 100 there are 25 prime numbers. You must search about it. We will talk about later for these numbers. Now composite numbers. Composite numbers are those numbers which are not prime numbers, like 4, 6, 8, because we can write them in the factors. We can write 4 is a 2 into 2. We can write 6 is in factor 3 into 2, 2 into 3, whatever. So the numbers which are not prime number are all are composite number. The numbers which are not composite are prime. So these are the sub classification of natural, whole number and integers. So this is the whole flow chart of number system. पूरे वर्ल्ड में जो नंबर को क्लासिफाई किया गया चल रहा है, मैंने आप लोगों के सामने डिस्कस किया. 6th क्लास में स्टार्ट करें, आप लोग कंफ्यूज ना हो. That's why I am going to tell you these all the things. So in next video we shall start our chapter whole number. Thank you.